system, but way to go. When I first came out here, you could go all that run up there. I think you can still drive that if you want. Okay. All right. Did you see how smoothly I did that?
Sure. I saw that.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Straight down Hoover Dam.
What do you do on the ranch? You make the dressing?
Coming into Boulder City.
Chili Jillies. Okay. Yeah, that's amazing.
Okay, the parking garage is going to be up here on the left.
Yeah.
Movie here. It's going to be in the theaters next month. Wow, who are you guys? What's that?
This is being filmed from the Tillman Bridge. It goes over the river.
Yeah, when I came down here with Dave Cowdrick and his son and daughter, we did go underneath this, but we didn't go on the bridge.
Yeah. Don't know if this will.
What?
I don't know if this will give the view justice, but it sure is beautiful.
I don't think anything. Yeah, I went over there and they got those things you can pedal.
Yeah, I haven't done that.
Yeah.
Boulder City is just a little suburb of Las Vegas, Henderson. There's the rapidly drying up Lake Mead. Here we are at Hoover Dam.
There's Ring Around Lake Mead.
To show how far the lake is down,
Yeah. That's about
this
100
bathtub ring is where the water used to be.
That's about 120 feet down.
Yep, it's about 120 feet down.
I remember when it was look
Yep.
at all the way up there to the to right at the top.
Yeah, I remember when it was literally 20 feet below this where we're standing.
I think it was less than that.
Okay, here we go. On our way to Hoover Dam on February 13th, 2023. Being chauffeured by Uncle Joe himself.
So we go another quarter mile, or we take this?
Take this one.
Okay. This is the business loop. That one up there is got the business living. I just need to put as much charge as I can on there. I thought it was charged up, but I must have used it the other day. That's one house. Look at the size of that sucker. This is where Celine Dion, and all them live up in there.
Really?
Because the golf course is on the other side of those houses. South Point.
Joe.